to make appe, which is also known as paniyara. It's a South Indian dish. So let's begin with the recipe of appe. First, I'm going to turn on the gas. Then I'm going to put the fry pan. Now I'm going to heat the 1 tablespoon of refried butter. Once the butter is nicely and hot, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Few cashew nuts. Few curry leaves. Grated ginger and finely chopped green chili. Quickly saute them for some time. Now I'm going to add in 1 cup of semolina. Cook for 2 minutes. Turn off the gas. Remove the mixture into the bowl. Let's make a batter. Let's chop some vegetables. Here I'm taking half a capsicum, half a carrot, half an onion, some finely chopped coriander leaves, some salt to taste. Let's mix them. Now, let's add in half cup of curd, half cup of water, give it a mix. Let it rest for around 15 minutes. Fifteen minutes are up. Let's give it a mix. The This is the consistency that I need for the batter. Now before cooking, I'm going to add a pinch of baking powder. Give it a mix again. This is the appe pan that we used to make appe. Now I'm keeping the appe pan to heat. Turn on the gas stove. Now let's add few drops of oil. Let's brush it all over. Now into this I'm going to add the batter. Now cover this with lid. For few minutes on low heat. Let's check on these. These seems to be done. Let's turn on the gas. Let's transfer the appe into the plate. Our appe is ready to eat. Thank you. Yummy.